Most of my friends who ask me about China will say, how dare you go to China to compete against the Chinese players there? I'll say we do it very differently. All right, the outlook ever since last year, where the Chinese government reduced or almost cut all incentives overnight, was a big influence on the entire market. In fact, the entire market consolidated. Right, the Chinese cut their manufacturing prices by almost 30% last year.
So there's a big oversupply in the market right now.
It is a big oversupply, and then, but that is recovering. That was last year, and this year the entire domestic market is trying to recover again, and it was a global demand. So prices actually went up slightly this year for the solar panels, as against the trend over the last 10 years. So, but what we are doing in China is quite different, right? While the majority of the Chinese players are focused on utility scale type of solar farms, which is heavily dependent on government incentives and tariffs. We are not doing that. We believe that is a market that's kind of reserved for the SOEs in China. For us, we are going in Singapore style, doing rooftop by rooftop, building by building, selling to the building owners. Right, so far we have already done 30 over megawatts in the Jiangsu area. With this fund, we hope to achieve about 250 to 300 megawatts in the next 2 years.
The Chinese government cutting subsidies is one thing, oversupply is another thing. There's also the US-China trade war as well.
Yes.
And a lot of people say that could impact the solar market in China. You think there's still growth in the market there for you?
There's definitely growth. Actually, to be honest, with this trade war that's ongoing, the supply to US becomes limited. That means there is more inventory for the Chinese players, all right, manufacturers, and indirectly that over inventory will result in better pricing for us in Asia, right? Because the Chinese engine of manufacturing, that can't stop, that will continue, all right? And solar, like I mentioned, is a technology. Year after year, the efficiency improves. This means year after year, we can expect the cost of solar energy to go down.
Hi, I'm Christine Tan, and thanks for watching Managing Asia. Do check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thanks for watching.